Ever felt overwhelmed trying to expand your business reach, increase sales, and drive profits? That's a common sentiment shared by many businesses and entrepreneurs. Expanding business reach, while a key strategy for growth, often presents a maze of challenges that can leave even the most experienced business owners feeling lost and exhausted. Let's get into the typical difficulties that many businesses encounter in this sphere. Firstly, there's the task of tracking various promotional channels, a task that can feel like keeping an eye on 100 spinning all at once. You've got promotions spread across different platforms, different campaigns, and different target groups. It's like trying to conduct an orchestra, and it's all too easy for things to go haywire. Then comes the hurdle of managing these expansion efforts. Each channel, each campaign is unique and demands its own strategy. It's a fine juggling act, compelling you to perpetually modify and adapt. And we cannot overlook the maintenance of these promotional channels. This involves keeping them current, operational, and optimized for maximum impact. It's an arduous task that often feels like a never-ending marathon. And speaking of arduous, that's another huge problem. The sheer amount of time that managing business expansion can consume is immense. It can devour your day, diverting you away from other crucial business tasks. It's like a relentless whirlpool that never seems to abate. And the most frustrating part? All this toil, and yet the results can often be disappointing. It's like pouring your heart into a painting only to discover the colors have blended into a murky brown. Sounds formidable, doesn't it? Well, that's because it can be. But remember, every adversity presents an opportunity to discover a better solution, a more efficient method. So, what if there was a tool like Lasso that could help you traverse the tricky landscape of business expansion? A tool that could take the reins and simplify the process, liberating you to focus on your core competency, growing your business. But what if there was a more superior, effective method to cater to your business expansion needs? Introducing Lasso, your comprehensive solution to your business growth needs. Imagine a tool that not only makes it easy to have others promote your business, but also expands your enterprise's reach. Meet Lasso, a WordPress plugin that goes beyond the conventional. It's a powerful solution designed to simplify the process of having others promote your business through an affiliate marketing program. Lasso isn't just about creating affiliate marketing programs. It's about making these programs work to your advantage. Its purpose is transforming your affiliates or business promoters into a formidable marketing force, driving traffic and sales to your business. It accomplishes this by handling affiliate commissions and tracking the number of signups on each affiliate link. Lasso is more than a tool. It's a revolution. It's about introducing a higher level of efficiency and effectiveness to your expansion and marketing initiatives. With Lasso, managing all your promotions through the several affiliates and links becomes a one-stop process. This means less time wasted on mundane tasks and more time for what truly counts, expanding your business. Yet, Lasso doesn't halt its utility there. It further provides detailed analytics. With these insights, you can effortlessly track your affiliates' performance, identify trends, and make informed decisions. This is the kind of empowerment that Lasso brings to the table. Lasso is built keeping your requirements in focus. Be it a small business owner, an e-commerce platform, or a digital marketing agency, Lasso is for everyone who seeks to harness affiliate marketing power to broaden their reach and stimulate business growth. Lasso is user-friendly and intuitive. You don't need to be a tech wizard to exploit it. With its simple interface, setting up and managing your affiliate marketing programs become easy. With Lasso, affiliate marketing transforms from a task to a strategic tool. It's about making affiliate marketing serve your needs, not vice versa. With Lasso, managing your business growth through affiliate marketing becomes a breeze, leaving you free to concentrate on what you excel at, expanding your business. So, how exactly does Lasso work? Well, let's unravel this together. Lasso simplifies the process of managing your business promotions with its user-friendly interface. This innovative WordPress plugin provides a centralized location to handle all your promotional links. No need for juggling between multiple platforms or wrestling with confusing software. Lasso makes managing your business promotions a breeze. Now, generating a commission link becomes straightforward. Once business or product identified to promote, simply have the business or product's URL and paste it into Lasso, all to be simplified when plugged in. With just a few clicks, Lasso will generate a unique promotional link that can be shared across marketing channels. But it's not just about creating links. Lasso excels tracking each sign-on. It records every instant someone clicks on your promotional link and makes a purchase, providing you real-time insights about the performance of promotional links. It's like having your very own promotion dashboard. Furthermore, Lasso doesn't stop at tracking. It ensures each receives due commissions for every sale made through respective links. It unburdens businesses from managing promotional programs, letting you concentrate on what you do best: growing your business. Lasso is highly customizable too. It allows you to tailor the look of your promotional links to match your brand, giving your customers a seamless experience. You can also add custom descriptions and images to your links, making them more enticing to click on. Whether you're a small business owner, a digital or a content creator, Lasso is designed to simplify your life. Lasso is all about making business promotions simple and easy for you. So why not give it a whirl and see how it can transform your business? Trust us, you won't be disappointed. So who stands to benefit from using Lasso? Let's delve into that. Lasso is not just a tool. It's a strategic partner for a range of businesses and individuals. Starting with e-commerce platforms, these entities can navigate the vast expanse of online retail with Lasso, optimizing their affiliate links and boosting sales. Then, there are digital marketing agencies. Are you juggling multiple clients and campaigns? Lasso can smoothen your affiliate marketing efforts and keep you focused on delivering top-notch results. Small business owners can also leverage Lasso. When every penny counts, Lasso ensures maximum return on investment by extending your reach and growth potential. Then there's SaaS companies. Lasso can be utilized to publicize your software solutions, drawing in more users and subscribers. In essence, it doesn't matter if you're a budding solopreneur or a seasoned multinational corporation, product-based or service-based, online or offline. Lasso is the product you need to take your business marketing to the next level. As the saying goes, Lasso is the answer to your business marketing prayers, whatever your business might be. Ready to take control of your business growth efforts? It's time to step up your game and give your business the stimulus it needs. It's time to try Lasso. Picture having a tool that not only streamlines your business marketing strategy, but also supercharges it. A tool that consolidates everything into one platform, making it easy to create, manage, and track your business growth. That's what Lasso offers. No more struggling with multiple platforms or convoluted processes. With Lasso, it's all about simplicity and productivity. But don't mistake that for being basic. Lasso is a dynamic tool that can significantly expand your reach and propel business growth. Visualize this: your business soaring to new heights. Your products or services being endorsed by a network of avid promoters. Your brand spreading far and wide. And all this with minimal effort from your side. That's the power of Lasso. The all-important business growth shouldn't be underestimated. With Lasso, you can easily process the growth, ensuring that your business receives the recognition it deserves. This not only motivates you to expand your business more, but also attracts new opportunities. Lasso is more than just a WordPress plugin. It's a game changer. It's a tool that can transform your business marketing strategy and shoot your business to new levels of success. Whether an e-commerce platform, a digital marketing agency, a small business owner, or a content creator, Lasso can assist you. It's perfect for startups, bloggers and publishers, social media marketing agencies, marketing consultants, franchise businesses, membership websites, event organizers, educational platforms, affiliate marketers themselves, real estate agencies, even nonprofit organizations, and much more. So why the delay? It's time to harness the power of business growth and give your business the boost it deserves. Click the link in the description and embark on your journey with Lasso today. Your business deserves the best. Expand your reach with Lasso.